Hi, I am Vec and I welcome you to the first tutorial in the Learning Java series. In this tutorial, we will discuss the software required for coding in Java. The basic programs needed are Java Development Kit and an IDE. For IDE, we will be using NetBeans. Both JDK and NetBeans are products of Oracle. Now let's know what these programs are. JDK, short for Java Development Kit, is a package which includes JRE and several other tools which are useful in developing the Java application as well as debugging and monitoring it. Now, what is JRE? JRE is a Java runtime environment that enables your computer to run Java applications. What is an IDE? An IDE is a software application that provides many facilities to a programmer for software development. Now the question comes, why are we using IDE? Because coding in a plain text editor is a tedious process and catching errors in the program is too much time consuming. Now let's start with the first step, that is downloading the software. To download, open your browser, go to Google and type JDK. You have to click on the first link, that is Java SE Downloads by Oracle. Once the link is opened, you can see there are two different download options available. One is for downloading JDK separately and the other is a co-bundle that contains JDK 7 plus NetBeans. So to make the process easier and faster, I am choosing the co-bundle pack. Clicking on it brings us to the following page, and here you have to scroll down and accept the license agreement from here. Now if you are a Windows 32-bit user, you have to download your file from this link, and if you are a Windows 64-bit user, you have to download the file from this link. Also, if you are using any other operating system like Mac, then check and download the file accordingly from the given options. If you are not quite sure about your system's configuration, go to Start, click on Computer, then click on Properties, and your configuration window will open. Here you can see mine is a 64-bit operating system. I'll be clicking on this link and save the file. Now the download is completed. You have to locate the file and open it. Here is the downloaded file. You have to double click it and open it. The installer will be configured. It may take few seconds to configure the installer. Once configured, click on Next. This is the JUnit license agreement page. JUnit is used as a unit testing framework which is used for testing. Accept the license agreement to install JUnit and click on Next. Installer here will ask for the directory to install JDK in. You may choose some different directory, but I am going with the default one. Now click on Next. Here the installer is asking for the directory in which you want the NetBeans to be installed. Now I am going again with the default one. Clicking on Next will bring you to the summary page. If you don't want the installer to check for updates, uncheck the box, otherwise keep it checked. Click on Install to install the software. The installation will take a few minutes to finish. The installation is complete now. You have to click on Finish. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. See you next time.